ensure everyone's safety, step 1 is to put on the dust mask, like such. Now you try. Safety is number 1. Now, to start the process, take 225 grams of potassium nitrate granules and grind it in a blender for 5 minutes. The scale has already been weighed with the cup, so we can just measure directly. Now grind the potassium nitrate for 5 minutes. After blending the potassium nitrate, pour 75 grams of it into each of the 3 cups. After you've poured the potassium nitrate into the 3 cups, place it in the low temperature oven at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes.
Alright, so step 3 is to take your charcoal. You want to measure out 45 grams of this and then put it in the blender for 15 minutes. Alright, so now you take your 45 grams of blended charcoal and you divide it into 3 separate piles that you then measure out to 15 grams using your scale. After you're done blending, make sure you rinse it twice with distilled water. So for step 4, you want to measure out 30 grams of sulfur and blend it for 5 minutes. So once you're done blending the sulfur, you want to divide the 30 grams into 3 separate piles of 10 grams using your scale. When you're done blending, make sure to rinse it out with distilled water twice.
Step 5. After you have ground all your materials, combine 1 pile of potassium nitrate, one 10-gram pile of sulfur, and one 15-gram pile of charcoal. Now tape a cup to the top half of this other cup. Make sure that it's nice and tight on both the top and the bottom to make sure that no powder gets out. And now you shake it for 1 minute. Step 6. After you've shaken your gunpowder for this set amount of time, pour it into your aluminum pot pie pan. Make sure to flatten the top. Place your fuse in the center with your perfect thermometer. And make sure that you have a recording camera a foot away from the thing to record your data. Step 7. After your fuse has been placed, go up, take your barbecue lighter, and ignite the fuse. Make sure to be 20 feet away and upwind after you lit the fuse. Yeah, boy! That was sick.
After you have finished all the reactions, retrieve the camera, watch the video, and record your results for length of reaction. Determine if flaring is present, visually and subjectively, and record the temperature on the thermometer in the provided table.